Well, if you ever have your oil tank out of the bike, take the opportunity to clean the bottom. Now the good news is there's an area down here about half an inch tall above the level of the oil pickup. Okay, so grunge, anything that's in here that's grunge, it settles down to the bottom. And what it looks like is this. That's what it looks like. That is some nasty stuff, and it's granular too. I don't know if you can see the granular, and I only have two hands, so I really can't zoom. Let me try zooming here. Okay. See how granular that is? That's all stuff that's down at the bottom of the tank. Now, it's going to lay there and basically be benign, but you've got the tank out, and what an opportunity to clean it. So what I do is I take the tank and I pour in about a cup of gasoline. And I made this rag on a stick years ago. And I put it in the opening and down into the gasoline, and I swish it all around 2 or 3 times until I break up all that crud at the bottom of the tank and pour it out. It takes a couple tries before you get all of that stuff out. So anyway, that's a hint. Once you have your oil tank out, you might as well, those 3 famous words, might as well clean the grunge out of the bottom of the tank. All right, a little bit of follow-up on cleaning the tank. I just went ahead and did this one with the wand I showed you. And if I stick my little pinky in here this time and rub it around, it comes out clean. I have a clean pinky. All the grunge is gone. Okay, that's kind of nice. Where is the grunge? The grunge is over here in the bucket. That's more than a couple of cups of gasoline, by the way. But it's there, and that's, you can see. Anyway, that's nasty. After you get done, dry it off. What I do is I run my heat gun through it, warm it up, and dry it out nicely. And it's ready to go back on the bike. So, cleaning the grunge out of the bottom of your oil tank. It's not that hard.